In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how to withdraw your earnings from Lollipop to either Epay, or how to withdraw your earning from Lollipop to USDT. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So right here, I will just click on my points on the Lollipop app. Then the next thing, I'll click on cash out. Then if I click on cash out, I'll now click on all. So I have 46 USDT. So I will click on withdraw. So I will select the type of withdrawal. I click on cryptocurrency. That is, I want to withdraw to USDT. So you will now select USDT again here. So when you select USDT, all you need to do is to go and copy your USDT TRC20 account, your wallet number, and come and put. But see, that means they are going to charge me up to like $6 instead of $46 is $40, and the Igbo girl in me refused to accept that. So on that note, I decided that let me do that. Let me withdraw it to my Epay. So you can withdraw to USDT or to Epay. So what I do instead, I just go back and click on withdraw. When I click on withdraw, I click on cash out again and click on all. So right here is showing my $46. So I will click on withdraw now. When I click on withdraw now, this time around I'm withdrawing it to my Epay. I will click on currency and then I will click on Epay, right? When I click on Epay, I select Epay as my withdrawal method. So I'm going to select my Epay account. You should know that your Epay account is the email address I use in opening that Epay. So if you don't know how to create an Epay account, just comment Epay account here. Check in the description of this video. I've already made a video on that. And if you not see, just ask in the comment section. I will give you the link to video on how to create your Epay account and verify. So as I click on that, and I put in my email address and confirm the email address again, and then I'll click on withdraw, and then voila, I'm able to successfully withdraw my earning into my Epay account. So here is what it looks like. The money, after 24 hours, it appears in my account, exactly the amount. So how do you now withdraw from the Epay to your local currency? All you need to do is click on remittance. When you click on remittance, that is if you have already verified your Epay account. Please, if you have not watched that video, watch, ask in the comment section. So once I click on remittance, I'll click on my currency. Mine is Nigeria. I will search for NGN. So when I click on NGN, I'm going to select the country region. So Nigeria plus 234. So I will now select the method, which is my local payment. So at this point, if you are new to it, you need to add your local currency account details. So I've added mine, and then you will now put in the amount of money you want to withdraw from this Epay to your local currency, to like your local bank account. So I put in $50. So the $50 is giving me $71,000, and then I'll click on next, where it will ask me to put my password. So if you have not created your withdrawal pin, then you will now create your withdrawal pin and put your pin. You can also double the security of your account by adding authentication to it. So once you do that, you have to put I protect my own, so I'm using both authenticator and I'm also using a pin. So that is how I withdraw the money, and in the next 24 hours it appears in my local bank account. So thank you so much. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. More videos are coming about live streaming, but I have to do all this Epay and make sure that the ones we have learn and we have earned, we should also be able to withdraw it, so that it will give us more strength to buy data and to make money, and of course to enjoy Valentine. The Valentine is preparing me. Like, my husband has gone to be with the Lord, and it's something else. Like, if I can fast forward this Valentine, please, you should remember and come and send me Valentine message, I beg. So like and subscribe. And if you are wondering how I'm able to make up to $46 within this short period of time, I have explained it in this video, how I earn with the Lollipop. So you can check the description of this video or ask in the comment section, so that I can reply you with the video on how I make more money with the Lollipop app. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.